Gardaí are today continuing their investigation into the suspected murder-suicide of Oisín O'Reilly and his father Wayne, who were found dead in different properties in the capital yesterday. Detectives believe that Wayne O'Reilly killed his own son in the bedroom of their Clondalkin home before fleeing the scene and taking his own life in the back garden of a house in Ballyfermot. The father's body was discovered in a shed at the rear of a property in Cherry Orchard at 8:30 a.m. on Thursday morning, with follow-up inquiries carried out at his home in Leland Road in Clondalkin. A male relative then found young Oisín dead in his bed, with Gardaí probing if the boy died at the hands of his father. They are awaiting the results of a post-mortem examination to confirm the cause of death, but detectives are not looking for anyone else in relation to the incident and will prepare a file for the coroner. Both properties were sealed off as crime scenes to facilitate forensic examination, while both remains were yesterday removed to a mortuary for post-mortem tests to be carried out. A missing persons alert was issued for Wayne and Oisín O'Reilly last October, with Gardaí saying they were located 2 days later. The Irish Independent has learned that Gardaí also had a number of interactions with Wayne O'Reilly in the past, and he was detained several times under the Mental Health Act. He had also been investigated for allegedly making a threat to kill or seriously harm his son. However, no formal complaint was ever made in relation to the incident and no charges were ever brought. The family also had engagements in the past with TUSLA, the Child and Family Agency, who confirmed that they were advised of Oisín's death yesterday.